Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the new stuff I got from Speed and Strength really quick, because I know we all have short attention spans. I'm not gonna do the whole woo and be like, yeah, this is what it is. First up is my United by Speed boots. Honestly, I'm rocking with these because it's casual. I don't wanna look like I'm being a street Rossi when I'm just gonna go hang out with friends. This is my go-to. Next up is the Twist of Faith gloves. They are short gloves, but they're still leather. They still provide you the protection you need. I don't need to look like I'm going to go race to go hang out with friends, which is really what I use my bike to do. It's a commuter bike for me, so I'm not racing. The under the radar jacket, it looks like a bomber jacket. You can see I have the Dionysi jacket there. Once again, that's kind of race orientated. I want to look as casual as possible when I'm riding. Lastly, it is my new helmet. It is the SS 1550 or Solid Speed. I'm not going to crack it out of the box yet. Don't worry, I'll make something about this if you guys really care that much.